In this video, I'll show you how to reduce or block ads while watching YouTube in your web browser. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, open a new tab and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type AdGuard Ad Blocker and open the extension from the search results. Click the Add to Chrome button. When the confirmation window appears, click Add Extension. Wait a few moments for the extension to install. Once the installation is complete, the extension will be enabled automatically. Now go back to YouTube and refresh the page. If the extension is active, it may reduce or block many ads while you browse and watch videos, depending on your browser and YouTube's current behavior. That's it. This is how you can install the AdGuard extension in Chrome to help reduce ads while watching YouTube. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.